Okay, this is Simon I'm back once again with this special video on SKM Media 7. If I chose who share video here, Nema Bima like Aircosu, and I say Nema Aircosu or this new system now MTN the ban. I'm like the problem be eba now we share problem no I'm free MTN. Problem no free MTN. Problem no free some of the merchants no niama omuye and I say rules are MTN they are to us omu follow rules no some of the merchants they don't want to apply by the rules no and until na ama this problem ni or how ni nyina den aba it mesrew say and then first time who share me and I say who share SK Media 7 and now was subscribe mostly no video I mean me prank videos and interview and I say interview and no mostly me but me other video be about MTN how our MTN merchant are being killed here and there. Nyama MTN also move on to Kwema I affect some of the merchants no. My video no but we no usha merchants ni bebre no sika bebre na sika no so wo pesika no amfa kwampa no so a ekutia o nti me hu video bi a na obi aye video no na o ka say voters ID new one no ukita udi ko ye uba money na so ko yi scanner MTN fa block your account no mpa cho enye sanity just by say merchant no na they don't abide by the rules and the regulation na MTN for e dey amom and na sa problems ni nyina e dey eba nti ade ni say na ti mami share me kita phone bi e wa ase mami share yen share ade wa ase IDs we here and so na we be here transaction na so we be sika e wo phone so nti we share side no okay ID we here e ba kwa 6 one driver's license voters ID either say new one and I say old one no and no we use voters ID old one no the mo year 2012 no and I say new one na we bet me use and Ghana card, which means Ghana card, and a passport, and a national health insurance, and a SNIT. So, IDs we moon or bit me either. Idea I use our mobile money, merchant hall. Now, problem a woman is say, Yabano health insurance, and a passport, and a driver's license. Next SNIT, Nisanyama for women, I renew no every year. Nti so be isika e merchant ho na wo health insurance and driver's license and I say passport no emu bi ayeden expire e wo say wo renew ansa na obetimi ayeden e dia isika e mobile money merchant ho sana identity ba here in the case some of the merchants no wo be isika e mo ho no ma nenti a MTN for block merchant ni bi omu sim ni say yemfa ni say me ba be is ka o merchant ho na scanner me ba be yi e o merchant ho no merchant no say me ngita ID card and I say driver's license any ID now would be yi sika no me ngita sa ID no me ba merchant na nkasa de ono nkasa ni voters ID no dia yi sika e wo wu a me and me ba be isika no me ID am di register me number no different and a merchant no so kita different ID if an say nipa no yakueku me ye frame me SKM nti me SKM and me ye mobile money and akueku ba be isika wo me ho a me SKM na me di me voters ID na me di isika e wo wo kueku no wa account no o sha be ye I say ye kro no and I say illegal I didn't know who merchant no ye den who ye no almost who I would do card no a year mobile money registration bring the same card no to any of the merchants no and I say agent no ko isika but here in the case merchant in essence or pay sika nti nipa niba na nipa no nkita ID card na ono merchant no di ono ankasa ni voters ID ana se nipa fofo be isika no di sa nipa no ni voters ID e di isika ma nipa be se 3-4 and na MTN force omo share system no mo say some of the merchants no omo yes aniama no enu ntina omo hu a wo merchant no omo hu say wo yes aniama no ma ye de omo block your account no because wo yes illegal against the policy na MTN dey den e di amount enu ntina MTN form ye den omo block some of the merchants no omo sim no nti mi frɛ obi ɛwɔ MTN me office na me ne kasa na me bisa ne so mati say ni say na ɛkɔ na no kra ben na wo na nipa ne cheche mu say ade no say na ye de eti merchant ni bi uko isika instead of baby so say one kasa for ID card na emra ne fa be isika no de ono ankasa ne ID card na so obi na ID card o de isika ma nipa no no the same ID na ye de ayi isika ma nipa be say 4 5 and I said 10 eba ni sana enye because who kita ID card miso mi kita media nti enu nka se mi fa mi ID card de ayi sika mo unti mi fa mi ATM card enko bank so di kwakoyi sika wo nipa different ATM na say na account mo enye yi sa nti na MTN for ye de omo block merchant no omo sim no enye se new voters ID card na omo use no e na omo block enye no new voters ID obetimi dia yisika obetimi dia ye bibia ba dia ontimi nya ni se ontimi fan register mobile money ba obetimi dia yisika e wo account mo enu nti enu na obetimi ade e dia ye ba say wo di new voters ID e kwa ko yisika wo account mo na MTN fa block ya bibi sa nya de enu nti video no ye be share sa video na papa ne e ka say ebi mu de omu new voters ID ko yisika ma omo block ni sa ne ma bla 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 enye sa na eti nti say me my advice no say nipa ne be yisika no nkita ye can say voters ID and I say some of the customers no so mu duabo and no merchant na wo ni made no you know more than the person nti nipa ne ba explain the business and I say explain the facture nipa not ne ho ase yi say nipa ne ba no nkita ida say ID card the best thing also onya ni say I was say wo dey catch nipa ne say so nkita ID and dem transfer scan no efu phone su e dey to me phone su na my mouse kan ti ye fan say nipa yi say 50 cedis udi 1 cedi be de be ka ho nti nipa no charge ni 1 cedi na 1 cedi no o hwe na e wo sora next time oba odini voters ID and I say ID odi year registration odi sa ID ni be den e be ba won nti sanyama no most of the merchants no ye njai ye mpesika sa enu na edi nti se omu call office hon mo a omu nka no kre no nipa no oba no beyi no nkita wo dey transfer scan fa to phone su wo transfer scan edi to phone su a nipa no omba without a voters ID nti mo ma yen hwe enu yi merchant no sika na u pesika go through the right process anu na be den ebe boa nti sansem na omo kika ni nyina meko Accra that was last week and ameko akoyi sika e wo one of merchant one meko ya mebubo me na mama no wie afi me allow cash out na me expect so be bisa me voters ID and I say any of the ID no me share na approval of message na aiden aba me phone so ana me allow me bomb code na scan ba na me san say aden one be I say NG ID card na no see one Jimmy ID card na say I say no mu NG ID card nti me bisa ne say and on chere me say no ye ade no ana me ya wa chere me ba be isika mu see me fa my ID card baba wo ye without ID card na approval message no e ba that means omo sacrifice ni e ka omo amudi omo ankasa omo voters ID na say for the eden e de ma e bia na wo ye can say subscriber and I say customer will be decide na no ebe minim say hono e bia betimi affect wo hono ba nipa na betimi affect ni pa e merchant na na say agent na okako isika no hono ti yen hwe say hono musu yi ma yen bremi MTN omudi ye can say policy ni rules na ene ato ho so who go against the rule now and ebe den ebe ko atia nti mesrew so wo share video na why den wa subscribe e dia ma me na video mi pese me ba ebi mu krofo bi na mo frɛ every mobile money agent association and I'm move ebi mu frɛ so me nya video na me enlighten krofo about this mobile money thing nti na me ye de me ye video nti mesrew so wo so ye so e fan is a customer na wo ka ko use ka men ka se nipa no onim no ohonom na wo use ka de bia nti wo kwa obetimi ayi without ID card enu nti na MTN for board de Robert 3 months e ka se wo hu se ID card na wo de year registration enye wo dia koneko change Ghana for me name your problem sometimes na was say nema bi ye fa ma na ye fa hwe ansa na ye ni be blue nema bi mu omo de almost 3-4 months eka ya dana adini start e bi mu sa adini enye dan sa dan na ede a start won nti muma yen hwe yi e wo sa nema na nyina na yenko according to the rules and regulation na MTN for ede e dia man na be ede e be bo nti muma yen hwe video na papa no o kasa no asem no aka no enye nokre enye sa na ti ba merchant no bi na omo anye ni a MTN for ede e dia to kwam so mo ye de omo ye nti se bia wo hwe a mesre se subscribe se wo hia more videos a videos e wo ho se na me kan me prank videos and interview ni other videos as well nti mesre se be subscribe to SKM Media 7 who subscribe ayen to sikadi ayen to shi subscribe we and one mia bell icon say anytime I post video bia no woni first person be there we sabe kan video yakopon share power
more allegations first of all graphic road which is Villamte circle MTN office na wa ha no mo ai we dey badu do gu hanu ma ya block obu nyina si a block obi a me chance o mo nyina anya allegation ketua na eko ha no ya point mo ma kana ya block muslims mo nya hweye and some of mo kana say stand new voters ID card no anya ma system ni mu eje bebre a omonya around 1000 to bia but because of the new voters ID card no omo use ye no enu ntia fa ho ade a block your friends merchant bebre sim eje mo so mo ya hwe